obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a che no wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesi da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto ya wo so me hwawo because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on 90 da wada fom obi so wa akwala na no iso nsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne timi emo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasan kra no wasa twi glue ka ho mene wo kasa wo ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hono say abeya mremremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawo
right yes time wakwa ba ego so din komo waje che fabra na nyamre nkenka fa fa seda fa ma God's Waker Sketch Shop Tawhid na Tepate Clinic era fi Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center so maso asene na yare jumadi no bremo hene so se waje che ba ntebe nyamre na nkenka e de ama ya din komo Abeku Santana eni MPP for say omumpeno say ebi ni say ambassador omwana yem fight against the novel coronavirus and afi ye share the appointment and as vet committee approval omo ede amaken Oforiata Ghana's finance minister Jake men ti una wo ka say wo ti mpeni for say dun katia ma haruna mo a wono mo nya adwen my ma be 3 minutes na
no mo nya adwen be 100% man kasa wona wo ko for no nti me nka chanzo man 3 minutes chat ya na wo be
je ko nyina we ma 3 minutes why
80 sasa na mo kana me no mo nya adwen nipa no betina beti so obi ewe o so twantro ya wada ne se mata mi di kwa yin hwehwemu no kwa no wa mbisa ne hwe ade chi ye no so wa hwe Friday no mutaka bisa ne se o ka se no o ka se mata mi di yen hwehwemu no wa ntima bisa wa adwene ba wo ayi wa ha che se wo wa consult na wo se ai woni o ma woni ni deputy no
na kasa
ti o so wa ma wo kwan ojitumu we nyame na meka ojitumu vet no na wo se o ka se sa atam no ko ni fi
o se no yare no ko
sa na meka ba wo so o ka se o ko ni fi o se ana o se na papa ni yare na o ko ni fi akọrọ no ana obi se wunji ndi se sa atam na o ye o hu investigation no ko ni fi a perception ni meka se bibi wo ho aya mpa so enyes gi logic se obi ye o hu investigation na wa ko ni fi so wo kura na ko ni fi a ya baka se bibi ya mfa ni se nya no kure wa ko ni fi so yare na okọrọ no ba o ye o hu investigation the first person so ho twantro se papa no wa consult no wa bisa ni hwi o be kai a papa kura ya na de beto aso so ayi bad ayi head bass ayi do mahama ane edi eni eno kura do mahama kura na wa ma do mahama ne vice and nkomo wa ma ne personal aid kura ne ndi nkomo am bisa ne bibi kura o de be kai enu enu MPP for jitu so anu de yenti enu ndi ba ma meta midi dia no obi a wa ba onu deputy akasa nti se yamfa ne se se auto o producer se me pese me no kasa na me no wan kasa na o ma o producer ne mi di nkomo enya wa na o ne mi di nkomo o producer ba o ma bo wa mane so se na mata mi du kan se ni se ayan tro
okay
when nyina no
now party say omo wo se wa mo no homodin nti na omo so on san kogugu ne ho ma se bi
sa asem no ko omo ka me no omo nya adwo
I don't want to win the election
nti na me ka say na oba no be ni mistakes ni oba correct ni mistakes so
okay
na ni ma ko yie for 4 years na e ba da won saka sa asem no omo ka ne de yendu ni Ghana ho nim MPP fo ni bi MPs ni bi si die no omo ko tu ni script ballot nka MPP fo ni bi kwa ntuma no se committee na nji na ntum o se committee ni ji utuma parliament ye anu no omo ditu ba so manji wantum ye to aba secret ballot senka MPP fo no kura mpo no anu omo ni abregana fo omo ni breye omo ye gu omo banks omo o twonto se 21 million Ghana cedi a oje so di to customers ka be pim ne me no kasa customers ni bibira up to now 4 years ni bibira nsanka omo sika ba mi wa ya twa scammer sa papa we twantro bibira eniema bibiri wasi obeta de ye ni guase ni se mi njepe na allowance nti ya mo yansama
oya de ana
woni mi se man foforo so sa asem we wo ka yansam nu unjepe unje hwe na eda na owe oho
o so no ya adwuma dada
awoye adwuma dada enti die enti na wo kwaye mi wa woni mi se asem no kwaye bogo so ni se wo di contract ama o ban yem fa ni se contract ba ko pempo eni mfa so wo benye afiri mu no wo pay a couple of 4 years ni nyina kora no enduru se aska no bi so ya smart
okay you see mama
so we sa niam ni nyina e koso na metisi empanyimfo ne se ya ma no ende sa dia o ma ba mebe nko ho ye den wuti se Ghana forecast this time ya 137 ababua ma Ghana amamu ne koyi ene ye den tisi se me no kase se wo beje tu
se ebi ano mu yi se eno no nkire se 137 na se ebo man na na se no
ye na ebu o man no minister aba ye yi ni first 4 years no what is na obi comment se king of orata o program what is NGC ni bi ka aye den no wa be ye for 4 years no obi ka se na ko for do 20 ministers bibiri ne be 5 bi ana ten bi wo problem a anu de wo ka de so ye nipa bonini ba dodo na o ma je tum ni de obi se o ni de wo nye politics
je
wo ka wa sa
de so o de only party be for na adwo
party for san sem na o mo kan sabi ebu aba mu ti se de me nu eta ma te ka se so wo panti obi a wa bu anya sa fonfo no mo na ye adwuma no eni ma wa ye no fo mo no precision ko fo tro ye Sadu we o mayi.
Ina go siaga.
Afeti NG se party. Mo say 4 years time. 4 years time.
Minti o NDC for say omo aboa ama ya approve Kinoforiata. Not just because of mine be koso ntia, but mo say papa no omo no homoden. Nti omo mess up na Ghana for nyina hu say mo aba na nye papa.
Make it. NDC mpani for. So be ba bonte papa Ghana for be form Ghana for chew. Ome baba patch no nya dom to keka no finance minister wa bra wo mra na wo wote so na NDC go so na IMF cause na is ekuyen conditions om dey attach ayem fan crofo adwuma so wote ase na ni nim Ghana ha na sintin na wanse ni chitete na wo efie free ho ni nyina mu no na crofo ye adwuma wo ye adwuma 3 years so etua ka 1 year no wo se se nipa no wa bon wonye hwe na wo a wo mere wo do oman no e ko ka kire IMF se ya hwe sikana mo na ka dompe esi ya mayen so fo oman na mo kire de yenye no wono no wa bon wonya ade o mo mra me pachew en so mo keka ye no masa na ye abato ne propaganda no mba so mo ka ye papa no hu fi no ye de to abama wo mo en self tamija fi di release aba ana me boa so pachew ni Facebook event is Brojajem so what you see mi tie no so opa finance minister chew opon ensem okabu no so enkrofosio kutupa e ka de ense na fatare fra no osre papa no fanche no papa no en fanche no ye bone pa osre no on fanche
oso hu se what do you call it Jubilee House agena tum Parliament agena tum ndo no Brojajem no wan
masa
akase for no kwa agena tum no
enipa anya nkwada o enipa anya nkwada ade de obeka say the ministers bi kasa no mko dru vetting committee no mo se so mane bi na aba no so what you say NDC for no omunya de omoye no but mama wo man no ehun hia wo
mo so no mo go into it ahwe say ebia papa no the money bo bi ho a enso ani a ebia ma ahwe ama na address a ebetimi lead mo into opposition ana
make obi no wi ase wo so yes rabofo obi ni ho o yes rabofo what you say ana inat match say wo ye adwuma no at least margin of error ye adwuma enti ohia atene but ensem akese a wo mokeka ye no e bi nwete o kaso abon obi a wabon a ono be take over no watimi aboa ama inflation reduce right from 15.4 in 2016 about 10.4% in 2020 wabon say the pakro na ye the lending rate watimi reduce from 32 in 2016 and the about 21 in 2020 wabon say the pano wabon obia na massa ni ye rate yen B minus watimi move and the B plus in finance rating wabon so ti ase enti say ye hwese niema wei ni hwese wo manya ne team na anye bia akura no wonua the banking cleanup and niema obaye ye timi de bo over 4.6 million Ghanaians depositors emo musaka musika no wabon
nti so say e de na be ma NDC for no mo ye so aggressive say omo empase kinofureta this time round unanimously omeka say the amano
asa na propaganda
oh okay
ne ya bato no person mu create scene say papa no corrupt no me de kufu ado afra no madi natem so na meto na say it was propaganda now omo ankasa atinteso do omo ade akatrama ye den afa omo dom katrama afo mo ntesuo no omo famene nyame ena yi papa no afri say ni nguase we nyina mu etimi de menua se me hwe papa na dwuma a wabeye eni na ho brase ne dwuma a woye a me nka se wo ye soro bofo a minim say pen and mo bi otutu ya party na na say empan mo fi say enko yie no they make sure say he amend it obeye sa ne ma nyina fri ho
okay
ama Ghana empunto na ehwe ne aba okay touch as here
into end this expectation am
oh massa na bi Ghana for rain fi you ye kayo ye kai say ne ye wo ye fan say this doctors ye fan say medical students omu wie school ya no mo gugu ya omu tifi ya mfo mo adwuma ye kai Ghana for kai omu kai say ankora no wie school say doctor we wie school as a medical professional ye mfo na adwuma omu kai
Ghana
onim we go you don't know onim katira no what you say nurses wie school no mu tifi onim katira no it was there you don't feel you kai e sa finance minister we and ba ya ene sa profo ye timia for maduma o so wa bon o so onya de e de na ahwe firi no e de na ahwe firi no hwe ajapadi ya muso mu kan ye
ye ne sifa me
menua se mitie papa ne nkyerɛkyerɛ mu a wo kyerɛkyerɛ ye e wo ne vetting ni mu a it tells you say and this was a serious plan work. It was a very serious plan work. So I say sa do mo fi say so mo ye na that moment na ne ba beto abɔ ne security mi ba na se party no enye sco betimi aye niam bebre e dia boa e dia magana po job adia tum
ba amampani be ka kyerɛ say per the risk the former Matemidu special prosecutor aye eno no so hwimu amaye no kyerɛ sɛ ade no ehunu sɛ ene bi wo mu a enye so he has to go back to parliament so the president and the presidency admitted that there are a lot of flaws
well, see, it should go for more consultation.
Listen, NDC for mo na better mo benyeska
president and can't say bibi o mo anyo we should go for more consultation. So I say and now wo asema no mo kanya ne say ni ye company the bank lawyer ye hwan do they qualify the massa do they qualify to perform that task? Do they have the requisite the needed skills to perform the task? If they have, then what is your problem?
So what's the problem with the president?
The president say that no China NDC for create from parliament. Then you clear for more minor.
Okay.
Then you fee say some conflict of interest wo mu a yɛhwɛ na ɛnyɛ saa nneɛma no that's what we are talking about.
Right. Yɛmfa sera ɛmfa ɛma Malam Muhammad Spiritual ɛne Herbal Center ɛwɔ kwaw ɛtibie ɛsikafo amanta Malam sebra sɛ wɔ court case adwuma ɛna woyɛ na ɛnkɔ soɔ anaasɛ wopɛ sɛ wotu kwan ɛkɔnto no ho ayɛ den ɛde ama wo wayɛ fuo bɛrɛfuo no obi akoko so a wodeɛ no ɛnso wotu gold ba wokɔ a wonya bi ɛntumi ɛntu stroke hepatitis ɛna ɛha wɔ wobana no so nsuo to de na hyɛ dɛm ana ɔdwo so kɛtɛ so wanyini paa anaasɛ ebia wonua bi ɛtwere wɔ no so wabɔ dam ana wakɔ awareɛ ɛna awareɛ no ɛnkɔ yie obi nso ɛde wasi wɔ so bɛware wo otu kɔ akɔdɔ abɔtie wayi n'ani ɛde ama wo a Malam sɛ bra ɔyɛboa wo ama deɛ mbɔbɔ so nyinaa no deɛ mantumi anka nyinaa no watumi ayɛ ama no ayɛ ɛde ama wo hyɛne nso sɛ woyɛ adwuma nko a deɛ akɔdu Malam hɔ a adwuma no bɛkɔ so ɛbɛtu mpɔn ama wo nso watumi anya afa ahodie awoɔ wobɛwo na wawoɔ no nso no ɛnkɔyɛ awo a wowɔ ama akɔfa nsuansobɔ no bia ɛde abrɛ woɔ 27 years ɛna watena Eastern Region kɔwɔ te bia yɛ adwuma a ne ho ma asɛm da 27 years wabie radio station ɛbie TV station aka wɔn ayɛ sɛ papa yi oyo bi a ɔba TV so da bi a brada nwumrɛ wɔ ha amanfo nso ma mɛka so obom kwase a wei ɛna yɛ kanfo na ma sɛ kɔ na ontumi ɛmoa Malam ɛkɔwɔ tibie Eastern Region du nkɔkɔ a mafaka tibie Easter yi ɛhɔ ne nyinaa yɛkɔ na ɛgya akɔdi Easter no 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 fɛ Malam na ontumi ɛmoa na deɛ Electricity Company of Ghana ɛde aba ɛde ɛtoa so Ghana to experience doomsday for 3 months Greco ɛsɛ yɛn kan kyerɛ Ghana fo nyinaa sɛ in fact enyo bi a ɔmo yɛ no ɛho behia sɛ ebekɔ doomsday ba men kan akra na afei nyamre eni nkɔmɔ power company Greco sells Ghana may suffer power cuts in the next 3 months due to various maintenance and repair works within the power transmission chain across the country. The power transmitter has thus served notice. A schedule will be drawn and made public in the coming days. According to Ebenezer Mankwa, Corporate Communications Manager for Greco, the outages are based on requests from many contractors expected to carry out the maintenance works on power stations, box supply points, among others. And they say, can you do so? Akos wabe bosome ni akyiri ni kobe bosome mienu no the Agrico for eka ene se omo ebehia so be maintenance work na afi omo be repair omo machines ne dade ndi nyumade omo di omo mfidie no ho no bosome nsa de anim de ebekodum so mtie enche kra ebenya timetable low sharing timetable a ekire se mo amoko simintim ebia ukuada no pa no nsia kopom no mienu ebedum kanea na ebo no nsia mo nso a mo elibu ebedum kanea ade echi ana ya wada so no mo a mo chirepone mo nso no pa no nsia kopom awiadum ebedum kanea dum so low sharing omo de ba omo se enye se bia ohaw bia na aba na emom omo esi so mo mfidie no na omo tumi so no STM stations bi aka ho na nipa na wagana no ya doso nti omo etritrim contractor no dia ode aba eno no. Well, do you really believe what Greco Eken and I say was going to say Dumson na aba na emom no yetimi emiani enka emfa enchre Ernest?
Yeah, Mickey.
Ena da ho no.
The mechanic statement is long overdue.
Okay.
Also come the buyer ache. Na amenipa enya hodaso. Adwuma no say the adwuma hye wonsa. Na say anamobo also utua also omane yentem. Na amenipa eti. Enti yebesere wo mo say sa na mo ka dia mo ma sure say emre no ma hye no. On betimi aye adwuma no. Ama sa ameni bedu yensa me take different story again. Jora me tona say. Na hope say enye too much. Enye too much first for about 6 years ago there no. I don't think say e no say too much sir. Yesre wo mo. Na afi no omo strategy a omo the expansion no so also mo hwe ni ye. Because me say every year bia no ye census. You the population growth ni how expansion in Ghana the way a develop ko And she said, why ye strategic plan at home also review. You don't sit down, Mamreno, Emerson, and Robert Carter say Ghana expansion, Koso, Ghana. We all know, say, American anymore, a Juma Baman for ye, Jumana, no be answer, prebaby need in a bedding, Ebetuo. And you know, say, a Jumayukua, ye desire Jumadia Shamonsano. What now, Massa or you need Ebetuyen. And Sana, Mwababe Kase, Mubabi Dumkania for 3 months. With my timetable for 3 months. Yes, sir. Emma Mino,
Trenebeka 3 education, 6 months.
Mino and Kanko, Etosini. Emma Manisi Kasem, Etosini. In a sense, affected individuals. And Crankra Jumaya are affected. Because we be free here. Afaka, if you come magazine or ye, Jumano light off, or your word, what does the person do? But then also, ye, a dear Enyano, say, Yura and yet. We must be proactive. So, I say, we should be very proactive. I want you may be on because I know, say, for generation, we have it. Yeah, cry sport to be. So, I say, and the dear was say, it's now maintenance work. See, if you see your maintenance in a year,
Yaneka, because President. Kasa the state of the nation no my tia say ya ne power producers no din komo ya negotiate nti enya ka ne de na bia ayere amaye na mo pia ko hye Greek for say do small job
make it nipa no or ye in charge or ye adwuma no but no say me Greek adwuma me this is the problem and challenge I'm facing so me ne hwan say ba betra say ye ka
because last year November, proud to I think 19th to 20th for no, and independent power producers no share say Becca say abane domoka sika also tuama wo no untua enti say abane ntua omo be withdraw mo services. We understand say part of the debt no has been paid, but e bia na unyini say bia na enye enough enti na bia omo ye say
Mickey, and I made sure I say, pay the release of Modiabano. It has nothing to do with money. And in the sense, I agree with you, so the team to me out. Ever cast a bad year car. So when try a car, you best shut it down our system. Omobeka, and Timasa, and ya dear, and one. And I mean, Mrs. Oka say a kakurana. I think, say, a negotiation. So I say, Sabah, the way they will be. So that is your opinion.
I'm asking.
That is your opinion.
I'm asking. Say, be a band within 3 months. No more say, okay, if that is within 3 months, yeah, we also supply you the power. Yes, between the arm within 3 months.
1 year now. 1 year. Say, Nipa no negotiate. Say, be within 3 months. Now I'm do kind of make you now accepted there. Then you give you provide full service. So that make sure I say. And to me, the man, I'm going by the releaser Abba. I don't know them to so. Tina may say, Eduma Yukoni say, Omomonya, and for my gang. Then near the Motuba also moved to them, and Magana for so, a Timmy Juma, a Timmy.
Should we take Greco as a serious company? Per the SC. Say, Kania Omode Mayan, it me Juma. It may be more mine more money because so you get taxes from for. I'm catch say, yeah, maintenance work. And how long? And no more maintenance work routine it will be to say no you know say a routine maintenance cost of the bia a DNC to the extent say make say boso me ansa de or say you dum so edema you take company we say a serious company.
I think say per this analysis no I can say there's a shortfall in their operations. Say yes say the more can say there then a serious problem because minim say Greek onyam kwala company say even kwala koba say omunya emergency how quick omoye e could to sana ma no enti say wo chain of operation wonim say this period of time sa facility we or see timi changes so what you say facilities need to make a come on time no be the same time. So what I say, but I'm crowd the technical eye. But I'm speaking by managerial skills that I have. So the matron say, and what's the one boy? omo anye amasa de we e de abeto yen enti the mechanic say they should be up and doing the omo de abra yen say na tie there they should be up and doing seriously
okay
because electricity it drives the nation so what you say Emma esa akura mama say efie da kura efie anakura ho eye na ema ya ma bo kura sa ya de because me na dem utimi na yie so what you say ado de do be so ni pa be so de kura na wa ye basa
okay
enti ya die bia say ya hwe ni yie na ya nso anu yie na ye ntimi amfa ne ma so de omo kan de a ebe ha yen ebe ha o ma ni sikasem seriously
right Jake almost contractors no ebi ehia kanea. And so the contractors are asking for some outages within some specific periods so that they can complete projects by the first quarter of this year as deadline. Because of that, no, I was go into load shedding. So contractors seeking for power and then maintenance work. And the heka home. Minti o say Rebecca say distribution and transmission aspect the challenges the women are there in the way no Rebecca say dia o make me aye no ma ye ni so dia ma ye dia nka ye na nyame asesa
are you disputing oh disputing sadio yana
never true. Nurses in no case. Omo mu 28 ya fe ne post up. Afa no mako omo koye train omo de mako. 2019 ko omo.
Ye train omo de mako yin.
Am chese won say omo wi omo.
Ye posting.
Omo ye omo posting ni sa ne. Obi a wi 2018 ya fe ne post no ati ne fe ne post. 2019 ko ade. E ba post omo na si ya. Omo wi no. Enti aya ya nja omo ko bet na say ya. Ya bi say minister no say Modi statement, the mobile parliament, Musi nurses 90,000. But record the one finance minister approved at 3,000.
9,000.
And not almost 9,000. After no two. Betty and Nuya, by a benefit. Health minister was casting 9,000. Are you going to be former Central Regional Minister? Was it statement? I'm one with the approved the finance minister. I said, what approved the above? I was so offer about the finance minister. I did budget in the back. And was it a 3,000
clearance? So na clearance.
After all, the chair was a 3,000 note. And then someone was our bet. Entire Munjai. Mobile and a we stand you for 1 year. Sa program no nurses, teachers, no income, and yet true. What can I throw away the G2 that you move to trust and throw it? Muslim, your woman, but one time,
Tissim.
one time, a mumu call. Yenya equivalent for 2 weeks. What do you call for this?
IMF.
Call for this. Come to Musala, and the one no. Skip the Muji in Nabusia, Menu Casamun Kwa Discabel, why 10 million candidates. What you are my year way and my year way. Your work winter, excellent. No way, you didn't no way, plane ticket. When will you be that? What you quantity is 260 million. Means you will be a country, baby, a whole floor, plane ticket in Quagesa. You can do a move better. I want to prove better. A buyer, a woman, and young one, son, Nedriani, or so mamma, or my critic, or my name, or my come. So, and then Adrian, why didn't be a walk, was so, and this mean to be no castle, and a 50 city.
Jake Bryce, but Greek Cornelius, Dennis.
Somebody so chantro. Chantra. And yes, it's over said, you couldn't dead here. It's all chantro bay 20. No one to me, their papa, Santro now, China and run. So chantra run. Nessa near Chua. As what Timmy Chaya, so chantro bay 20, no, the cataba, open out, try and run. And you're not to anyone where people. Also, I see. Yenju mundi gribu for the omudi mimi one ya bete ya a obi aka na asam ngini minka se asam na o ka no boa joma aba tam o man se bi so mu machine da o joma aba kwa de obeji tu ka se ye wo problem nti me be fix it but date na wo ntimi ndi so ba wo fix it anu mu ye no mu ba ye se wo fix ya mu ba ye odin 4 years enka mu bi mu ka power na American power no ne ya wesi ya ndesuma
o man sika de akoya ade
anu ase no mu si enu no nya ne ye ya friend say sika sam ne nya generation asam wo so mu ka asam kire say enu no de nya no kwe enti se ye sika ne ye ni ntina ye dadum so no enti jo ma ma mpeska wa diska ne nyina no wo nya bi nto fu wa mfangum jo ma ma nya asam so no ena odi gas ani ye to no Nigeria o ye bi wa Ghana ha upo wa ye ya afa ye nkoto gas in free Nigeria entro na America no samas ni ye no mu nyina na ti
ni da bia boss
asi me se ana men ka de se
me the mic
say mic ana say na me de ka won pe
what is ma
ba woni entro na o ma tra da bia ye kana o se ye boa no ba ka ya MPP ba ben o so jo ma san contract bi bre tieu obi o ti fi tie ni wa san contract bre na wa to machines ni bibiri ye yusu eni ye tua hoka what is there be no moka sa Ghana fo tie ni ye wa to machines mo camera wa da mu yi ma to bi so agudem
aboroso ye nyusu
aboroso no mo di agudem ti sie camera ne ba ko se ya so be ye pro no de ba ko na ba be si wo dia wa to wa na ye bo ho ka bra ye yusu anne omutu adi jo ma be machines na o to ye sebi wan fa adwuna nto ho no anne Ghana fo se o mu sremo machines de eka na fort na be ma mu service no mu fa foforo na jo ma to dem no na mu fa ma ya power anu na Ghana fo bi se o ma mu dodge se eye problem Ghana fo bi sa mo o mu gusu ka se jo ma ye boka na wani adwuni wa sa power ne power ye hia be 3000 wa sa ya ma na burusu sebi wo mani boka wo mani niska Ghana fo se de na mu use no anu na sei ye service de do ma to a ye use a ye bo ahun ka no Ghana fo so mu sremo MPP fo mu meso sa machines ne mu power maye enti na beka so twantwa sa ne beto wo beka ya abugina po o ka se John Jinapo okase si die MPP fo ye last year niema omu ye be wura this year no ye be se ankodum so ka so ka asam no okay omu di na tam so oboa wo be ka ye be to aba no ka ba chairman se nya no kure wo ka se omu a
independent power producers
omu ka se omu peska no omu kwata omu ka se half mpo aba ni pe mu kwata ma omu enya sa adum so be se aba ye kai nipa bi ti su ko ti prati mu nyina kan MPP fo be dina ana o mu ti o si sa sam ni yenjindi se o mu nde ka bia na problem na ekọ na ya baba yen hihye ye be yen hihye na e be duru epra no na sa atam no na atwum ana chama ti ya ka se o mu de o ma ka sam yenji o mu ndi se ye no kure se ayo mu machines na asai me de mi ndauto chama wodi ni kro ba chama de mi bi se oni se machines na do ma to ye ne ye yusu ana mu tu amu ba ma tu ahu ka 4 years Ghana fo se ye bo nka enti mu fa so light ni maye asa enema na koso mu nke ni kro mu gusu twantro sa wuti aka se ye twantro to finance mu sa na mu twantro do ma so sa de do ma ye kromfo endisi fo ye kromfo mu bo ni tiri so twantro tu no so Ghana fo di tumi mamu e be pemi ne do ma da so ne nam ha Saturday ni ko oba Central Region ya ye nchin ye mfre ni kwa mbisa ni question ba akokra so president why kata asese wa ni minister we why kata asese wa wonim se senate de no kora mo de o mu court no court o ma kwa ko do Supreme Court botubu nti dem bese me chen ni se ma o mu ndada ye o mu nka ni kwa che se me no wo kase sisie sike bibribi e ba mu nsem ayese nka mutimi de atua ka wonim se ye to lati nso ma countries bibra chese na nam si dia busu ntinti ye to ma countries ni bi o mu so ma yesika sa sika ni nyamutimi de atofu we sika amukoji free amanini ni sika do ma free power na while sika amaya ne ya fund ba akopɛ
Jake
me ba na fund ba akopɛ
Jake Greek say omo maintenance
and say the
repair and contractors mean so as sick say yes so I mean you know
ani na me bi say media no okra de me age ho na di Bad me be said question. My sister now do my baby ba ni yam fanya hwe ya. O de ba ye bo ho ka no. Yes so enu meye. What me part yes so. So your test. What are you good come now? Mama say no. So nim dia oka. Omo so omo service so omo machines ni bi. Anu nti na meye ko ofo. Adam me tell so machines kro na. Yes service dey yet ase. But the esi wona. Ye you so en say no mo so anu so say ye wie de be gu hin akọ.
When a transmission say no mo.
Yeah, be true.
Right.
No.
Repair maintenance.
Oti animdia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da
Okay.
kwesi da ejuoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me yawo so me hwew because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda.
Okay.
Akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada form obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne timi enwo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be kono say abɛyɛ mmeremmeremre.
Okay.
A wo banyem easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ne nsia Komewood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu eno sukɔ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
well all pia o say say film why the den it be slower we na fa kokko film na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ma ye den ma menti we we na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye digma na ma why slower e bi sayo ko nyempo no kumase na mo ko kumase
oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy, Minia, or Brabant to Yao. Seven and I am curtain and Yasha Dion. Your penny as mammy, 7 Rame Padak, Master Camera. Nammy, Chini, Yada.
Nansani o. Nansani.
Nansa mu na mo da so a. Wo hia me de we ni problem kra. Wo be je di se me free Dubai betru Ghana. Ana me na na confidential. Wo to na nanu ansia do. Ni eje yi ni bo me so. E wa bre de me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me Ghostway casket shop. Ah e wo kuma se labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu musa ni me yes kan hye hye yo. Wo de bi ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me papa no. Iswa afi so ya se me ambulance. Na me sam pe de be da no enka ambulance. Ani de be da ho. Omu ambulance service. Into ni problem kra. Ani na. Ye here ni se wo be na sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know say kuma stay by plan o. Ye ko na ko kire o. Some Ghostway casket shop here. Ye wona ka me bere. Te se de mu hu ni na. Ghostway casket shop. You will kuma say in front of New Town. Ye di labor office na ben. Ghostway casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
All right, yes, Emma Makwaba Ogoso Sinopi live on Kumawu TV. Yedi Komo. Waje chadu beba ne nyamra kenkan ede amao. Ofaya Kumfi Nakwa or say if President Nanado wants NPP to go to opposition, he should then go ahead and appoint Abeku Santana. You all leave him and you will see. Okay, Ofaya dear, I don't know. Say bro, get the fire burning. Watching you live from Techiman, Battels. So they fit Techiman Abano Battels. Your chow and Enyumre. We say I'm watching you live from Swaman, Dadieso, Western North Region. I really like the NDC officer at the studio. He really speaks the truth. NPP for the only lies and disunity. If Abeku Santana can do the work, why this political agitation? My regards to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Samuel Kibwachi, and so the other Abba, and we say good evening. Indigo Adams, watching you live from Pusiga District in the Upper East Region. Please, NPP should not think that they will be in power forever. Surely, change will come soon, with or without their Jane Mensah and some judges. But whether they like it or not, assuming Ketia is part of the committee. If they don't understand, they should burn the sea. Thank you. Okay. Indigo Adams Pusiga Pusiga for Inina. Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm watching your show. Please kindly tell the NDC to understand that this is not Dumso. It is power crisis. Nana JB. So they are the Abano Nana. Power crisis no any day here. Well, Nana so they are the Abano. I say the NDC should not make propaganda out of this. Greco company is there. Call the PRO or the manager. They are saying that the electricity challenges are not from the government. It's from them. Why do we then complain? This is not like Mahama's era. Okay. We say, I'm sorry for NPP for lying to all of us. In fact, they told us Dumso will be a thing of the past and will never come under their era. See what we are experiencing. Nanado, go. One quick. Samai, good evening. Why should they allow Ken Ofori-Atta to rule as a finance minister? I'm disappointed in my own party. Inusa and so they are the Abba and no. Well, me first that Enfama Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic. Tawhid is first bra. Na omuti mo say yare bia how bia no. Obabeboa say stroke hypertension yare bia free utri so kosu na ase. Omo so obabeboa pa na emom no e bia na wo pa wo omo se bra. Na omo fa nto aduro so enhwew. Acha kura bo so miensa na awo no. Washa ase man kwara esu fie. Tawhid is first say ade ba akwa efe. Pa ene se wo yare no waba no wonya daje e de amaw tutu no nyama mo yemozami fo no momra wo yemozami ni ba oba doctor oba ho behwew be ma ho behwew adaje nya de amaw nya agro edo so de ma no ye bidro ya bi e na ye de e ma wo na tumi aboa asayare no bia wa Ghana bia no obetumi atu na ma no waba Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic eno ene Madam Catherine are sabia edo Madam Catherine de yenum dada se boy papa o man Ghana nti omo yare sabia na se fata se obekọ na on betimi aboa wa 0278626262 0278626262 we hu Tawhid Orthopedic Clinic e wo Kumase Body Junction another Oduom Body Junction wa e na Tawhid fo no omo ekọ na omo ntimi emwa maybe I want to mention agency no etumi aba just in one minute chairman minti dum so
senior
sister bi
say yes you can someone for there's no way say on baby transfer or the atom because asema I can a serious issue so what I say a serious issue a serious issue to be mama J Ghana for ano bro embo no so tell me what I say and the American say yinya empire say the American yehwe to make sure say sa medina omoka mwase
so me
betimi etusa na mo na so me nsa
enye easy o man no eto afie be je de abo o man no be kofom because over studio ni adum light
yes
generator na use wa
enye haye we ha me pa masa very bad we say esa we so ready no cover the number o man no e wo problem we sika say ya me ba ya me pe be ya aduma etimi amatuo ama etimi enye BMS capa system ana sa ni ma we try there akobai nche besre wo say sa na tia you be apple mo aye na mo hwe na intimacy problem
Jake yeah Lucas here good
you go da ba no so one kind of prayer see ya no kana omude ya plan so independent producers onjo o ka o mesika no no mo sika na afufa do ni sika sika ni to so do sika o kan bia o se free education bia o se free education tisi ya no yes intro na do so bia mu gusu twantro what twantro se enya mwa selesinsi mu di patapa na enya diri ni soldiers ni etuo na ejitu no ti de esre o mu ni se mo mu nsa fa kan ko du so do ma ba da gu oba ya no ma shi sa eso odi kan ni enya ni ya da kusu ba do ma oba na o si baby because if you be it is hard ya me nyere me ano ni sa ndia ba ni na do ma yeyi obo bi se 53 million Ghana cedi and odi yes a project ni na akan no project and na ku fa do ba wa ko bi se 180 million
okay gracias we say Sir Mike, is it not unfortunate for MPP to tell us we have enough that we are not using, meanwhile my village have no light since independence? I don't say the urban yeah, Matthias here. OPK goes, so the center cannot hold in NDC with infighting between the national executives. Hey, OPK, the I had to say, you discuss it that well. NDC, please spare us with deceptive and continuous theatrics. Ghanaians rejected ex-president JDM for being incompetent. We certainly did not give him another chance for further mess. Okay, Honorable Furiata is competent and clean. NDC should admit the vilified Nana Addo's government for propaganda and electoral fortunes. Okay, and also the Abba no Farouk Edifitama and the Abba. 0202668461 0202668462. Ba na o ma TV lo na konform. Phone ade frɛ na wati ho phone yet me at won kan ye din komo Greek for say ye mo boso miensa enka ho na omfanse so mo mfidie na afi ne mantimi enyina ne na so nti enche omo ne ECG for edin komo a enche kra doom so timetable no omo de ebre but NDC for seems to say said abio ade no ya ban no pa doom so na aba na ban no emso be kan no kra etimi ede a kire Abeku Santana ya appointed as an ambassador for COVID-19 MPP for someone tiase na tiase kire so papa no wonye NPP ni into one sem fata so benya sa position no and afi King of Furiata and so masebeja for agena tum ho nkobo ene ne ye di wadwen kire obetumi afre na afi yetumi ate wonka enso Masabutu Bantima. I say I'm particularly impressed with the calmness and maturity at which King Oforiatta is handling those. Okay. Hello. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We need to be free.
Yeah, you know what's up?
Yenti on free, baby. Any.
What's up?
Good.
Last time I can't watch them. I am not correct. You have to and no mutum no, and I'm so mutum no. Last year, I'm out to buy a crowd by George Mahama.
What are you and quite a modumo? Well, we're free. So 0202668461 668462. On the Ocean Rank one, but most of the chair cry. What the NDM said. Well, Dr. Baba Zamu, Master Planner, Kintampo, President Anado and Baumia will surely take this country to the promised land. Ghana will be moved by the right direction, regardless of the impact of COVID-19. Let us be hopeful and supportive. Okay. And also the Abba and so and no. Over to the Abba. Now, maybe I'm going to 0202668464 668461. Ernest. Obviously. Okay. Hello. Good evening. Hello. 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 Good evening.
Good evening.
Would you be afraid free?
Hello.
About you be afraid free. New Abrim Kasayentio.
Any program in the morning.
Opening Kasayetio, Wadaro Makasa.
You can put a program in the morning.
Kasayetio, Uti volume no Obamanenko form. Oh, good. Yes, it's oh fra men tie who TV no so phone na de frɛ no na watie who phone wa mu sasem we da bia ye try can but still. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We need to be free until
of some four corners, no free eligible.
Abani Yanka San free eligible.
I pay the master. The margin is a TV no so. Now, on command reason, you put up a name. I tell you this question. Gluco. You may say, I want to say, I'm not my own way to and what she and so move to sit energy classes. I wouldn't do a monk and send out more RFA. One for could grant any example. Could work the piano and Luva or more energy classes. Just a more central power and center or more to be or more to be a pro machine. It's an computer on the part of the group. You can throw more. Your mom won't have one. None and another, we can know who investors or Mumbla. Yeah, man, nothing at the sense by we man more. Then it's buying yet.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Ghana be doom light. I'm say axim. Evaluate your home doom light to hop basa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We need to be free until. Over your until until. Yeah.
Mama told your mama, and it's at the minister of one you have for the attack. The Kuba is West Africa and Africa. So I think that's the original position there. Here is the position from the other party. That's it. We are going to have one. na yɛ bɔ ɔmo de bia ni nyɛ na ayɛ sɛ ɔmo kasa na kyerɛ mo na ɔmo gya kyɛ ɔmo gye abɛ ekuta ntana yasa no fɛn papa mímí fi ɛkɔ ntɛ bia ɛni bifo yɛ bu ɔmo nyinaa mo mu nyɛ akɔnhyɛ adi ɔmo ɔmo nyɛ edwuma yɛ ɔmo yɛ ɔmo ta na ɔmo ta nkama ba na ba fi ɛmpi bɔ yɛ rusu kɛnyɛ yɛ kiyɛ kampɛ na yi ba ɔmo kyerɛ nyasa kɛnyɛ yɛ ne kuba ne sɛ ɛnti yɛ so wɔn ɛni yɛ fɔ wɔn akɔlɛ bi.
Okay. Papa Yanasi. Next caller. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Papa, good evening. Hello. Saturday we here major court for me show no so. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, be our free.
Free Koko.
Why ain't you?
Yo, come say a be ku Santana when you NPP, when you NPP, come on, you man. Na me bisa say. O nya kana ni ana. Hello.
Yetio pa kasa yetio.
Aha. Mesi so so e kana ni. Said so we NDC na onye ego ni, onye Nigeria, wo so e kana ni. Na de ntina, on de bibia, on pese NDC fo nko ana ye. Na we are saying so, yem peni for a fence said ya hen for lim peni for mo Ghana. And to e ko so ni ade obia hwe on kan wasem. Because your mama to me ya and on the can watch them.
Okay.
On the can watch them. But video ya video ya enye. Ade. Se ya nsem ya kan kura nya ko de no me baba yesu. Na ko be train back apa say. When you create an equity na mon kan na ko be train back.
Yes, nyame na on fan cheye na katua ne ba ha na no ayehye. Ye ma frɛ phone nsia. Jake. Yako.
Yeah, make kind of say.
Just 30 seconds. I don't know.
And that's minister when you are here. Look at saying this for force me to no master to mama casa bakery and this in Mamma Penny. Oh, MPP. Maybe I'm a castle we all so we this year. We said this year now what this year what near the open. Back what we are. Yam to them.
Okay.
I know but before we said before MPP for you said I beg
okay. Yes.
And you can say and we NDC the person MPP.
NS. Yako.
You free. When you are president for 40 years,
right, and next second vice chairman of the NPP, and then special 8 Edema mention of member of parliament. So now leading member of the NDC. Jake Azantilo and also Motin. Can you make a do much now? On I, you better.
And your road to obey and a genie pegiano abosso. Ya rabbit to say, and ya akomayare wadumwatso wontimin didi obane barima wontimin wo me comforta read naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu ya nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na ma ufichi konso aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de ba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padue ni mu eyi yarwa hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne wo Madam Katri clinic yarwe nyina last stop
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
animdia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isro ka chino wa ya so kuno enko malam sebra ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebenada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ya ube ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achikide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ kwan no wo be hu say abɛyɛ mmeremmeremre
okay
a wo banyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ena sukɔ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwɛ ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
well awol pia obusia yese yifiri mu why the den the slower mina fa